Night is trembling on my window, like it knows I'm missing you again. Your name drifts softly through the shadows, carried on the quiet of the rain. I trace the echoes on the glass pane, every drop of memory that falls, and in the hush between the thunder, I swear I hear your distant calls. But love can fade without a warning, just like storms that come and go. And all that's left of what we promised, a story's only raindrops, no silent rain, falling like the words we never said, whispering the things we left for dead, crying for a love that couldn't stay. Silent rain, running down the cracks of yesterday, washing every fragile hope away, leaving me with nothing but your name. Silent rain, your touch still lingers in the doorway, like a ghost that won't move on. I breathe you in the fading night air, even though you've long been gone. I try to hold the world together, but the pieces slip like water through, and every soaked and broken moment leads me back to losing you. I tell myself I'll heal tomorrow, but tomorrow never seems to know that I'm stuck beneath these heavy clouds, where love forgot how far to go. Silent rain, falling like the tears I hide inside, soft enough to drown the hurt I tried to bury in the corners of my heart. Silent rain, telling me we drifted far apart, whispering the ruins of the start, echoing the ache of what remains. Silent rain, if I could pull the sky wide open, I'd bring back all the light we lost. If I could rewrite all our moments, I'd pay the pain whatever cost. But love is made of fleeting seasons, some stay warm and some just fade, and now you're only in the rainfall, a memory the storms replay. Silent rain, falling like a love I couldn't save, marking every dream we couldn't brave, turning all our fire into gray. Silent rain, filling all the words I couldn't say, telling me we weren't meant to stay, leaving me alone in this refrain. Silent rain, and I still whisper your name.